Now, Grok 3 AI is developed by XA1 under Elon Musk vision. Is a cutting-edge language model designed to excel in reasoning, ethics, and as Elon Musk recently commented that this is one of the best AI in this world, right? And obviously, in this race of AI, there's a DeepSeek, there's a Gwen AI by Alibaba, and there's a ChatGPT, obviously. So there are have more players have joined this race, and it's becoming really eh, very interesting, we can say that. So the strength of the Gork is excels at complex problem solving, right? Real time data integration. So let me just try now, right? And ethical alignment, minimize bias, right? So I can just write here, you know how good you are. Let me see. And here obviously it is fast because it's not taking much time, because I've used Gwen AI for recently, and as you can see, this is a little bit laggy sometimes. At the same time, DeepSeek AI, there's always they show me one thing that it's not available, there's some kind of issues or something like that, right? So it's, I don't find it really well, but Gawk is fast this time. I don't know in the future the Gawk. Okay, so here they are using Gawk 2. I want to use here Gawk 3, which is the beta version, right? How better is Gork 3 compared to 2? Now let's see. Okay, so it has a limited reach. I have to log in to continue. So let's see, I have to log in. I think they are going to take me to Twitter account, I guess so. So now let's talk about this here. So Gawk 2 is a powerful ethical AI tool that pushes boundaries in reasoning and versatility, but Gawk 3 is really much more powerful than Gawk 2, right? At a very high cost. If you are looking for an innovative with accountability, Gawk 2 is worth exploring. The next thing is that Gawk 3 is also perfect for enterprise researchers, developers, and everyone, right? And this is exactly the same use what you use for ChatGPT or DeepSeek, right? The next thing is that what's the next development that is going to come depending upon which model they are training and how good they are really. So obviously, this is just the start of this AI race, and the future they are going to be much more player. There is going to be much more innovation. So in the end, we are going to get benefit from it. But this is it. This was my review. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.